Parliament's presentation on the controversial constitutional amendment. Number 3. Bill. It's triggered fresh outrage after lawmakers claimed that only 386 Zimbabweans opposed the proposed changes during public hearings across the country. Sabina Mashkobra is the only 386 opposed Cap 3. Parliament statistics trigger readability storm. Your boss subscribe or like on the video icon. I'm no more playing confusing. Justice Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee Chairperson Edson Joko Jr. delivered the presentation in Parliament on Wednesday, revealing figures that critics are likely to dismiss as unbelievable and politically manufactured. According to the figures tabled before Parliament, a staggering 537,102 submissions were allegedly made in favor of the bill, while only 2,935 opposed it. The committee claimed that out of 470,117 written submissions received, 469,040 supported the constitutional changes, while only 1,077 were against them. On public hearing submissions, Parliament claimed 67,302 Zimbabweans supported the bill, with just 386 opposed. The emailed submissions produced slightly different figures, with 1,472 against the bill and 760 supporting it. Total 540 and 37 submissions. Total in favor 37,102 and total against 2,935, Parliament announced. The figures are already raising serious questions about the credibility and transparency of the consultation process, especially amid widespread criticism, public protest, and growing opposition to Cap 3 from activists, opposition figures, and constitutional experts. Critics argue that the statistics paint an unrealistic picture that appears designed to manufacture consent for a deeply contested constitutional amendment. Doma developments ari pomre Zimbabwe mbodzi moti kudi pamusoro pezvo buda mu parliament izvi. Peda comment section medu za fungo enyu, subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.